You know the season that we are in, right? I am driving and I am paying attention to the road. But what will we be doing, sweetie?
So today we'll be talking about some things that you can do around your house to create that Christmassy feeling. We know COVID-19 is upon us, and
sometimes you can have a tendency to dampen the spirit. Sometimes maybe financial or whatever, or physical, but
emotionally.
but we still have to be grateful. Christmas is a time that for a lot of persons like Shana and I, we believe that we celebrate it as a time when Christ came to earth, and so forth.
But it's also a time.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah, and it's also a time when families come together. It's all about that feeling, and we're all into creating that feeling, that atmosphere of having fun and whatnot. But before we get into the video, I just want to say welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with us. Thank you to all our new subscribers and to our old ones. Thank you so much for always being here.
Straight up.
All right, so let's get into it. So today we're going to be talking about a few things that you can do just to help you to ring in that festive feeling, to help you to ring in that Christmassy vibe, right?
Yeah.
And so yes, we agree that COVID-19 is upon us, and that a number of persons may be feeling sad or down, or for whatever reason, some people may not be feeling the Christmas mood. But there are those of you who have children and nieces and nephews and so forth who would definitely appreciate the Christmas vibe. So guess what? There are things that we can do that does not require a lot of money.
Right.
And so today we're going to be sharing that with you guys. Just don't mind the video shaking up and down, all of that. We're on the road. We're driving to Mandeville,
Manchester.
Right. So that's why. But anyhow, so let's get into it.
The one is put up a Christmas tree.
All right, so put up a Christmas tree. What is it that you can do? So not everybody will be able to afford a Christmas tree, and we're not telling you to go out and go buy an expensive Christmas tree.
One.
Yes, you can improvise. So one,
some persons have a tree that they have had for prior years. You can take it out and fix it up. Sometimes it might have a little damage. You can be creative, like using some like wire or something to straighten back the weak branches and so forth.
Also you could there are places that some persons have at their houses some trees or so that you could actually cut and fix them nicely. Get a scissors and shear them properly, and just put them in nice pots, decorate the outer part of it, and bam, you have a nice little Christmas tree. Or you could even get like you see an old tree, you break down, or you chop down already. You could simply just take that, paint the branches, and make your little attach your little lights to it, and so, and that would be a Christmas tree. You could paint it in white, right, or whatever color you prefer, but that could be a Christmas tree in your house, nicely fixed. And that leads us to the second thing,
which is
making homemade Christmas ornaments, or ornaments rather, for the English colors. So what do we mean by that? You can simply just like how you come up with a little Christmas tree, you look a Christmas tree with a branch and whatnot. Like I said before, you could simply just get cardboard, get sprinkle little fairy dust sprinkles. You could paint little ornaments. On YouTube there are a countless number of videos, even on Facebook, teaching you how to make DIY videos. Yes, from plastic bottles to make ornaments, from just a variety of things that you can find around your house that you sometimes find as garbage to assist you. So you could, you could even get the kids involved if you have children, and they'll be excited about cutting shapes or things like that. So that is actually number 2. Make your own DIY.
Because the truth is, guys, if you were to dissect some of these expensive ornaments, then you would realize that there's no need for them to be so expensive, because
Yeah, and there's nothing much. The makeup
Yeah.
of it is sometimes nothing much.
Yeah,
It's a
nothing
simple thing
much.
that you can find around your house
Mhm.
and you can put together, right?
Yeah.
So so the number 3 is send handwritten cards to your family and friends. What do you think about that?
Yes. So so that's a good one, sweetie, because a close family member that you have not heard from in a while, just to see something that you sat down and wrote, to know that you are thinking about them, can change their whole day, can change the entire Christmas spirit for them. So that's a very good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And I mean, if you know, if that, and you know what, you could even do it to people in your community.
Yeah.
And you could also get your kids involved again. So some of them like art, they like to draw little things. You get them into drawing the outer cover of the card, and you just write sweet little notes for other people in your community, in your church, right? That you know these notes will help them to feel merry and bright, just to encourage them, just to bring a little light into somebody's life. You would be surprised to know what a little note can do.
True.
Yeah.
So true.
So
true.
yeah, so that's one thing. And another way is, since we're in the era of technology, there are little apps on, you know, we can find on your phone or so, that you can use to build like a family postcard that has greetings, season's greetings, and you could send these to persons abroad or even here in Jamaica, but they're just not close to home, right?
Yeah.
And you won't be getting to seeing them throughout the Christmas holiday, but you could do that. But I tell you guys, just get up, just make a list, do some stuff.
What's number 4, sweetie?
Number 4 is download a Christmas carol playlist.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what is Christmas without Christmas music?
Without Christmas music, just certain songs, when you hear them, they mean like one of those Mariah Carey songs. But you know,
But
just
even,
thinking about it with a song.
But even down in Jamaica, the hot sunny weather, you know, you could find the Jamaican style Christmas carols too.
Yes, because you have some really nice
down
local
in
songs.
Jamaica, the hot, you know, there are people who are always friendly all the time. So that, so that's another thing to do. So can you imagine, you have that playing in your background, and the kids are there just making their little ornaments, and you're there just writing those little notes of people you know in your church, in your, you know, maybe at your workplace, just in your community, and you're just feeling all festive. You probably go find out one old Santa hat where you have 3 years ago. Put time for your head, and it's just done. It's just game. Oh my gosh. So
5 is watch Christmas movies.
Watch Christmas movie. What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Whoa.
Home Alone can never.
Home Alone is a very good one.
It's a classic. Yeah. But I mean, a number of us nowadays, we have access to Netflix. So you guys could just, you know, choose a nice Christmas movies for your children, for yourself. So you could have, you know, on a Friday evening or a Saturday evening, a Sunday evening, you just, you know, after dinner, you just set the time out and you just tell the kids, and you just, whoever it is that you live with, you say, hey, you know what, we will watching this Christmas movie. You just set the pace, and there's a variety. You have the kids Christmas movies, you have the adults lovey-dovey time Christmas movies. So whatever rocks your boat, floats your boat, you work with that.
Just Google interesting Christmas movies. You
can see the ones that are trending on Netflix or so.
Or even on YouTube, because we know that everybody have Netflix.
So I mean, guys, that would be so fun. And you could simply just probably get a bag of chips, or get some popcorn, or get some candy that look like Christmassy color, and I'm sure the family will love that.
There's some home style treats.
Home style. You know, get a slice of your Christmas cake already. For those of you who already, you know, bake that. Get your slice of Christmas cake and a glass of cereal and you drink that and I'm watching a Christmas movie and you talk about it. And you ask after the movie, you ask you get the after the movie you get your kids' opinion about the movie. Ask them to tell you what they like about the movie. You could even have times it could even be a movie about the birth of Jesus, the whole coming together of what Christmas really means. And so it will be fun. So whether you're a Christian or you don't believe in Christianity, but you actually still
you're part of the whole
celebrate
Thanksgiving
season. Number 6, babe.
All right, guys, write a list of everything you have to be grateful for. And guys, this does not have to be only around Christmas time. This is something that you can do from time to time. Writing a list, because sometimes we get caught up in terms of what's missing, what we don't have, what we think we want to enhance our life, that we forget to see the things that we already have. It's the most important things are actually given to us free at birth. And anything else can be purchased, and it can be repurchased, so it is not the most important thing. So
not saying that it won't add
it will enhance your life, but the most important thing, so be grateful. Write a list of things that you have to be thankful for, and this will make this will help you a lot. This will make you feel a lot better.
And you know what? And it will contribute to the festivity too, festive feeling. You know what?
Yes.
And I think why it is particularly important too that is done at this time, that we're recommending that you do this, is because during this time you find out that a number of people buying stuff.
Yes,
you see buying. Yeah, and a lot of people are keeping up with the Jones syndrome. And so sometimes, because you realize, oh my gosh, I'm not able to buy this, I'm not able to get that, I don't have the fancy Christmas tree or the lights or this or that, I wanted to change the tiles in my bathroom, and the story and the list continues. When you look at it and you say, oh my gosh, you know what, I bought a new car this year, or you know what, I was able to buy a Birkin bag this year, or you know what, I was able to pay off some debt, a portion of it,
I was able to not use up my credit card this month.
Or I was able to pay it forward. I was able to help somebody.
I was able to get somebody a meal. So many things to be thankful for.
So you just write a list and tell God, just write a list telling God that what you're thankful for, what you're grateful for, just to look at it. Yes, and just to help you be grounded, right, and to just contribute to that feeling of, hey, oh my gosh, I'm happy to be alive, let me listen to some Christmas carol, and everything we've said before.
Same way.
7 is plan the menu for the Christmas dinner.
For all of the foodies out there like myself, well, to be honest, I don't think I'm one of them serious foodies. It is nice to have sometimes, from time to time, it is nice to have a nice little menu, a nice little variance in terms of some things that tease the taste buds. Like for me, the cake is a must, the cereal, the wine,
and yes, the list goes on.
A piece of ham here and there,
But you know what? For those of us, or for those of you who do not have the means to come up with anything big and fancy, just be grateful with what you have. Be creative with what you have. If you have green plantain and some chicken, and you have some rice, and you have peas, but you don't have gungo, be creative with what you have. Go and learn. All right, I'm gonna make some Spanish rice. I'm gonna make some barbecue chicken with some sorrel sauce. I don't know. You just do something that is creative. You're going to cut the plantain thin and do that in a nice little chips or something like that. I don't know nicer than green plantain crush, like you can have it every time. Expensive food, right? So the point is, just be creative with what you have. Do a little research, write down what and try to stay within your means. Try to have a budget and stay within that.
Though it's very hard, because we know the price of a lot of things.
But that is why you need a budget, right? Get a budget and stay within that budget and do what you've got to do. Just be grateful. Plan the menu, and that will help you while you're planning your menu. You're listening to your Christmas carols, and you know what? What's this tush name for Ton Camille? Polenta? Polento. One of the two. But Ton Camille turn very stush right now. So I mean that is something. Can you imagine if you have your little thing and you have polenta and your fried chicken or whatever?
Yes.
But beat that, yeah?
Can't beat that.
Can't beat that. Just be grateful, be smart, and just again go on the internet and you'll find different recipes of different ways of how you can do your chicken and things like that, right?
Yeah. We have come to the end of the list. You can include some of the things that you think can enhance the whole Christmas spirit, enhance the whole
Christmas vibe.
Yeah.
Throughout this season, remember to put a smile on somebody's face. Just remember to be kind to somebody. Just because you don't know. And we're not talking about just giving money and this and that. Just giving a kind word, a kind word of encouragement, just a nice compliment. Just because people are going through things right now. So just be kind. We hope that our list of things that we mentioned before, that they will definitely, that you will sit down, look into them and use them to the best of your ability to help you to contribute to feeling festive, right? To feel like you're a part of this season, to help you to take your mind off the struggles that you are facing, you have faced and possibly will face, right? Just with everything that COVID-19 comes with. And so thank you again for tuning in with us.
Yes.
And always remember to make every day an adventure. Bye.